Today is Saturday, February 21st, a day shy of Xavier's 5th month. And he's trying his cereal for the first time, his rice cereal. Daddy gets to give it to him. That's pretty much the face we were expecting.
Oh.
You like it? Ah, he might actually like this. He wants the spoon. I knew he'd want the spoon. He's all grabby hands lately.
Oh. This is gonna be messy. Mommy should put you in a different shirt.
I know. I rolled his sleeves back. If they're gonna be grabbing for everything. I thought for sure it was all gonna come back out. Well, we got some of it back out, don't we? I think he's just as interested in eating the bib as the cereal. What do you think?
Yay.
What do you think?
I'll have to get better at this, but you're supposed to kind of go like that.
First feeding is going to be the messiest, right, buddy? Until we get to strained peas and carrots and we get to a whole new world of mess.
Oh, look at that. He sucked it up. Did you see that?
Yeah. I don't know. He seems to like that.
You want to give it to yourself?
You're helping Daddy.
You like it?
Maybe somebody's going to get a bath after this, huh?
You want to try it?